If you want to make a picture smaller in CapCut, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it using two simple methods. Whether you want a cleaner layout, better framing, or just need your image to fit your video perfectly, resizing in CapCut is quick once you know where to look. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and find the picture you want to resize. Look at the timeline at the bottom and click directly on the image clip so it becomes selected. This step is important because CapCut can only edit the settings for the clip that you currently have highlighted. Once the picture is selected, you'll know it's active when you see the edit controls appear. Now move your attention to the panel in the top right corner of the screen. This is where CapCut keeps the clip settings. Click on Video, then choose Basic. Inside this section, you'll see the controls for the selected image, including the scale option. This is the most precise way to make a picture smaller because you can control the exact size instead of guessing by eye. To shrink the image precisely, find the scale slider and drag it to the left. As you move the slider below 100%, the picture will get smaller on the screen. If you want an exact size, you can also click the number value and type in a specific percentage. For example, you might use 80%, 60%, or even smaller, depending on how much you want to reduce the image. This is really useful if you want your edit to look consistent and professional. If you want a faster method, you can resize the picture directly in the preview window. Click on the image in the preview player and you should see corner handles around the picture. These are the small points on the edges and corners that let you change the size manually. Click and drag any of the four corner handles inward and the picture will shrink right away. This method is perfect when you want to adjust the image visually and quickly without typing in numbers. As you resize, keep an eye on the composition of your video. If the picture is supposed to sit inside a frame, leave enough space around it so it doesn't look cramped. If you are using the image as part of a thumbnail style design or picture-in-picture layout, shrinking it a little can help the rest of your content stand out more clearly. The best part is that CapCut makes it easy to fine-tune the size until it looks just right. If the picture moves out of place after resizing, don't worry, you can simply click and drag it to reposition it inside the preview window. That way you can make the image smaller and still keep it centered or aligned where you want it. This is especially helpful when you are working with multiple layers or building a more polished edit. So to quickly recap, select the picture in the timeline, go to Video and Basic in the top right panel, then either use the scale slider for a precise size change or drag the corner handles inward for a faster resize. That's all there is to it. If this CapCut tutorial helped you, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.